so stoked on life to be back in Paris. I love it here. Okay, we're about to go to our favorite
patisserie.
They make the best croissants. They were voted best croissant in Paris in 2018, and I still think they hold the torch, but we haven't tried all the croissant places, but we are so excited. I have been dreaming about this moment for months since we left. I'm thinking I'm gonna get 3.
For weeks.
For weeks? No, since we left the last time.
Oh.
What? How many do you think you're gonna get? 4? 2 chocolate, 2 regular?
3 chocolate.
3 chocolate. They are so good, and we are not counting carbs. We are strictly here to enjoy. I'm so excited. The ordering was a disaster.
Should have used my card.
But it's fine. We got our croissant. We got so many croissants. And I'm very excited for it.
Let's go to our spot.
Let's dig in.
Oh.
Let's see inside of it.
So freaking good.
The flavors I'm picking up is buttery, not too sweet chocolate, flaky, I mean crunchy but chewy. So good. This is so good. Let's get some orange juice.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. See any orange juice around here? Maybe that little fruit stand.
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember how this works. Go like this, right?
We're having a moment. We're here at the Notre-Dame, eating our croissants. I've never been so happy. Now the regular croissant is like buttery and flaky and so many layers, and a little less sweet than the chocolate ones. Walked along the whole Seine, which is the river. Saw the Eiffel Tower, saw a bunch of beautiful architecture. Sat and had croissants by Notre-Dame, went to our favorite croissant place. Now we're gonna go see the gardens of Versailles. After that, we might go on top of the Arc de Triomphe. We might go to the Eiffel Tower. We might do all of those things because why not? We got the day. And I'm hoping for lunch we get a big fat baguette and some French onion soup. So good. What do you want for lunch?
Tartare. Would be awesome.
Tartare for lunch and then dinner, huh?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts about going on top of the Arc de Triomphe?
Cool.
I think we should do it. Could be
Let me do it. They didn't let us do it last time for some reason.
They didn't let us do it. We forgot our COVID cards. They didn't let us on, and we just never got around to it. So maybe tonight. Could be fun. Oh, we can't forget about our tea party. I will be shooken if we forget about the tea party. I'm running out of time, but gonna enjoy.
I like the way it feels.
The texture. Delicious. Soup was so comforting, and the caramelized onions are so good. The duck was crunchy and tender and had good flavor. The potatoes were good. This creme brulee is nice and creamy, but not over sweet. Perfect last.
I think four, so we need to have two each. Four maximum is
What did you think? Did you love it?
That was cool. You better lock that in your brain, and I expect a lot of that. But after making them, it's a little bit hard that we ate 5 apiece yesterday. Like,
Let's not talk about it.
I know, after making the ingredients.
Let's not talk about the brick of butter that we plopped in there.
That's kind of tough. Ignorance is bliss on that one, but
I had so much fun though. That was great. I
well, the guy
recommend
was
them.
the guy, the chef,
He was
cook.
cool.
baker.
He's a chef.
He was super cool, super like classic French guy,
Very laid back.
laid back.
Very cool.
Had cool insights and thought it was really cool. And that was a cool thing.
We loved it. We love you, Paris. Mwah.